Hey guys, this is Abhishek here and welcome to the fifth session of CCNA. Today we are going to learn about IP address. Okay, today we are going to learn about IP address. It is a very important class, so I will highly recommend you must watch this video till the end. Visit our website www.learnavi.com or download our Android application Networking Plus to practice networking quiz, interview questions and many more. For more information, check the link in the description section below. First of all, let's understand what is IP address. See, IP address is the address of a device available in a network. For example, this is PC number 1 and here I have PC number 2. Here I have PC number 3. Okay, all of these devices are connected to each other with the help of centralized device switch. Now, how PC number 1 will understand in this entire network who is PC number 2? How it is possible for PC number 1 to send the data to PC number 2? Because there are multiple devices in the network. It is possible with the help of IP address. In a network, all the devices available are assigned with a unique address which is going to look like this. This is called IP address. So all the devices are going to assign with a unique address, and this address we called it as a IP address. Done. It is same like normal address we use in our day-to-day life. For example, this is your home, and if you want to send any parcel to any of your colleague, what you do? In the parcel, you used to mention his name, his address, right? Everything you used to mention. After that, it is going to deliver to the destination, right? Same like this in networking also. We use a unique address, means on each device we use a unique address to send and receive the data. I hope the concept is clear. It is very simple, guys. If somebody asks you what is IP address is the address of a devices available in a network. It could be address of a PC, or it could be address of a printer, it could be address of a switch, it could be address of a router, any device. Okay, any device available in a network we use a unique address, and that address we call them as a IP address. Done. Now let's go forward. Basically, IP address has two different versions, that is IP version 4 and the IP version 6. Okay, IP version 4 is a 32-bit address. On the other hand, IP version 6 is 128-bit address. IP version 4 is written in decimal format. On the other hand, IP version 6 is written in hexadecimal format. Done. Now see, what is 32-bit, what is decimal and all, let me explain you in very basic way. See, decimal means IP version 4 includes only number. On the other hand, IP version 6 includes both number as well as alphabets. Is it clear? IP version 4 use only numbers. The address we use in IP version 4, right? For example, it is going to look like this: 10.0.0.1. This is example of IP version 4. If you look at IP version 6, it is going to look like this: 10 E F colon. Okay, it is going to look like this. So this is the example of IP version 6. This is how IP version 6 is going to look. It includes both alphabets as well as number. In the same time, IP version 4 use only numbers. Next thing is 32-bit. See, this address you are able to see here, right? For humans, for us it is easy to read 10.0.0.1, but our computer understand only zeros and 1, right? So this 4 digit, right, 10.0.0.1, In computer it is going to look like this, 1.1100001, like this. Okay, because computer only understands 0 and 1 itself. It is not going to understand what is 10, what is 1. It is not going to understand. Okay, this 4-digit number you are able to see here, right? 10.0.0.1. It is a 32-bit address, means with the combination of 32-bit you are able to see one IP address. IP address, this single IP address is a combination of 32 bits. Now how to convert this IP address in 32 bits and how to convert the 32 bits in IP address, I am going to explain you everything. But as of now, just understand IP version 4 addresses. A single address is a combination of 32 bit. For this reason we called IP version 4 as a 32-bit address. Same like this, if you look at IP version 6, even it is also a combination of 0 and 1s. Okay, it is also a combination of 0 and 1s, but it is a combination of 128 bits. Okay, a single IP version 6 address is a combination of 128 bit zeros and 1. Is it clear, guys? A single IP version 6 address is a combination of 128 zeros and 1, and these zeros and 1 we called it what? Bits. Okay, these zeros and 1 we called it as a bits. I hope the concept is clear, right? It is very simple, guys. IP version 4 is a combination of 32 zeros and 1. We call zeros and 1 as a bits. So for this reason IP version 4 is a 32-bit address. On the other hand, IP version 6 address is a combination of 128 bits. Okay, 128 zeros and 1. It is a combination of 128 zeros and 1. For this reason we call it as a 128-bit address. Now in this video we are going to learn about the concept of IP version 4. Okay, because this is the address we are using in our present networks. About IP version 6 we will discuss later. Clear? See guys, if you have any doubt, please write it down in the comment section below and I will give you reply. Okay, now let's go forward. IP version 4 address, okay, IP version 4 address is divided into 5 classes, that is class A, class B, class C, class D and class E. Okay, IP version 4 is divided into 5 classes, class A, B, C, D and E, where class A IP address starts from 1 to 126 and its default subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. What is subnet mask? I will explain you later in this video. Class B IP address starts from 128 to 191 and its default subnet mask is 255.255.0.0. Class C IP address starts from 192 to 223 and its default subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Class D IP address starts from 224 to 239 and class E IP address starts from 240 to 255. Done. And these two addresses do not have any subnet mask. Okay, class D and class E IP address do not have any subnet mask. See, in our day-to-day networking, we only use these 3 classes of IP address, that is class A, class B and class C. We do not use class D and class E. Okay, as it is reserved for multitasking or for research, or you can say for future uses. Okay, these two addresses we do not use. So we are only going to discuss about these three addresses, that is class A, B and C. Now let me show you one live example. What will happen if you enter these two IP address in your computer? So this is one application by the name Cisco Packet Tracer. I will tell you how to download it and how to use it. All the practical of CCNA we are going to do in this particular one software itself. So for example, I'm going to take one PC and let's connect both the PC with a single cable and let's assign the IP address. Okay, for example, PC number 1 IP address I'm going to enter as 240. Okay, it is a class E address, right? If I write here 240.0.0.1, as you can see, it is telling you this is an invalid IP address. Are you able to see, guys? It is telling this is an invalid IP address, means you cannot use class E IP address in your PC. Same like this, if I use class D address that starts from 224, okay, and let's enter here 0.0.1 and let's click here. As you can see, it is telling you again this is an invalid IP address. Why? Because class D and class E we cannot use in our networking device. Any device we cannot use class D and class E IP address. In the same time, if you write any of the class A, B and C, it is going to take automatically. For example, let's write here class A IP address, that is between 1 to 126, right? So let's type 10.0.0.1. As you can see, it is taking automatically, and hence it is a class A IP address. It is taking default subnet mask as 255.0.0.0. I have explained you, right? Class A default subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. Same like this, if you enter here class B IP address, it is around 190.0.0.1, and let's click on the subnet mask field. As you can see, hence it is a class B address. It is taking a default subnet mask as 255.255.0.0. Are you able to see, guys? Same like this, if we look at the class C address, for example, let's enter here class C address, that is 192.0.0.1, and if you click on the subnet mask field, it is telling you the default subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Are you able to see? It is going to take automatically. So class A, B and C you can easily assign on your computer, but class D and class E is reserved for multitasking and for research and for future use purpose. We cannot use them. Clear? Now let's go forward. So if you want, you can take a note of this. It is a very important chart. Okay. Now let's go forward and understand why the subnet mask of class A IP address is 255, why the subnet mask of class B is 255.255, and why the class C subnet mask starts from 255.255.255, and why and how to remember this class IP address. Like if I ask you, tell me the IP address of class B, then you may get confused. So how to remember these addresses, I am also going to tell you right now. So stay tuned till the end. First of all, let's understand why the default subnet mask of class A IP address is 255.0.0.0. Why? What is the reason behind this? See, as I have told you, IP address is a combination of 32 bit, right? So class A, in class A, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, okay, dot 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Done. See, if you count all of them, it will become 32 bit, right? As we know that IP version 4 is a 32 bit address. Okay, these 32 bits are divided into 4 blocks. Okay, where each block contains 8 bits. Okay, each block contains 8 bit. 8 bits means 8 zeros or 1. Same like this, it is also contain network as well as host. Okay, IP address is divided into two parts, that is network bits and host bits. Host bits means the IP address that you will use in the network. Okay, these are the number of IP address you can use it in a network. For example, in class A IP address you can use total 2 to the power 24 addresses. If you do the calculation, the number of IP address you will get, that is the number of IP address you will get in class A address. And this part we call it as a network bits. Okay, network bits means 1, host bits means 0. Clear guys? I know many of you guys may be watching this video for the first time and don't know anything about networking and IP address. You may get confused, but do not worry, I am explaining you in detail, so watch it. Okay, I'm going to explain you everything. So as of now, just understand IP address is a 32-bit address where this 32-bit is divided into 4 blocks, and on each blocks we are having 8 bits. Clear? Now next thing is IP address is a combination of network bits and host bits, where 1 means network bits and 0 means host bits. Clear? Now each bits you are able to see in each block, they are having a certain value. What value it is? Let me explain you. This value is written in the form of 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 6 and 2 to the power 7. Okay, it is written in reverse order like this: 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2 till 2 to the power 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is all 8 bits. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Got it? The value of first bit is 2 to the power 0. The value of second bit is 2 to the power 1. The value of third bit is 2 to the power 2. Same like this, the value of 8 bit is 2 to the power 7. Now let's write the value here. 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1. 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2. 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. Just you have to double the number and you will get the answer. Same like this, 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32. 2 to the power 6 is equal to 64. 2 to the power 7 is equal to 128. Got it? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Done. So hence it is a class A address. The first 8 bits are reserved for the network. Okay, first 8 bits are 1. It is reserved for the network. So if you count the value of all of these 8 network bits, the total answer you will get is 255. See, 1 plus 2 equal to 3, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, 7 plus 8 is equal to what? 8 plus 7 what? 15. 15 plus 16, 31. 31 plus 32, 63. 63 plus 64, 127. 127 plus 128, what you will get? You will get what? 255, right? So if you calculate all the value of network bits, the total answer you will get is 255. For this reason, the default subnet mask of class A address is 255.0.0.0, because even here also we are having bits, right? But these bits are reserved for host. Okay, these bits are reserved for host, and host bits are written as 0. Got it? It is very simple. Network bits we mention by 1, host bits we mention by zeros. Clear? Anyhow, if you feel any doubt, if you feel any confusion, please let me know in the comment section below. I will explain you again. Okay, now let's go forward. Now let's look at class B address. Okay, the formula is same for all. See, the default subnet mask of class B address is 255.255.0.0. This is the default subnet mask of class B address. How? Let me explain you. See, in class A IP address, the first 8 bits are reserved for the network and remaining 24 bits are reserved for the host. Right? Same like this, in class B address, the first 16 bits are reserved for the network and remaining 16 bits are reserved for the host. How we can write these bits? Let me tell you. Network bits is written as what? 1, right? 1 means network bits. So let's write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done. This is one block. Again 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done. 16 bits is done. So this 16 bits is for network. And remaining 16 bits are for host. And for host, we are going to write as 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done. IP version 4 is a 32-bit address which is divided into 4 blocks and each blocks contain 8 bits. Done. And what I have told you, what is the value of these 8 bits? How we can write the value of these 8 bits? Tell me. First value is this one, right? We are going counting like this, reverse. 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1. 2 to the power 1 is equal to what? 2. 2 to the power 2 is equal to what? 4. 2 to the power 3 is equal to what? 8. 2 to the power 4 is equal to what? 16. 2 to the power 5 is equal to what? 32. 2 to the power 6 is equal to what? 64. 2 to the power 7 is equal to what? 128. Okay, it is very simple, guys. Just you have to multiply the number like 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 4, 4, 8, 8, 8, 16, 16, 32. Just you have to double the number and you will get it very easily. Okay, so here in first block, all the numbers are 1, right? So if you find the value of all of this number, that is 2 to the power 7 plus 2 to the power 6 plus 2 to the power 5 plus 2 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 0. The total answer you will get is 255. Okay, if you count the value of like 1, 2, 4, 8, if you calculate all, the total answer you will get is 255. Got it? So here all the 8 bits are reserved for the network, so we're getting total value as 255. Same like this, even in second block, all the values are reserved for the network, so here write 255. Okay, just you have to count the value of ones. And in third block, all the values are 0. 0 means no need to count. 0 means it is 0. Here 0 means it is 0. Clear? For this reason, the default subnet mask of class B IP address is 255.255.0.0. Done. See, in class B IP address, the first 16 bits are reserved for the network and the remaining 16 bits are reserved for the host. That means host means the IP address that you can use. Got it? Host means the total number of IP address that you can use. So how many IP address do you get in class B IP address? You will get total 2 to the power 16 because we are having only 16 hosts. So 2 to the power 16 is equal to what? Let me calculate it so that it is easy for you to understand. So let's calculate 2 to the power 16, right? Equal to 65,536. This is the total number of IP address you will get. How much? 65,536. This is the number of IP address you will get in this. Done. Same like this, if you check for class A IP address, that is 2 to the power 24, right? So if you calculate 2 to the power 24, what result you will get? 2 to the power 24. The total answer you will get is how much? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 16 lakhs. Okay? What? 1, 10, 100, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. In crore. You can see it is in crore. Okay? These are the number of IP address you will get in class E. Got it? Now let's go forward and understand why class C address includes a different subnet mask. I hope the concept is clear, right? Please take a note it down. Whatever I am telling that, please take a note so that later you can do the revision. And if you have any confusion, watch this video 2-3 times continuously. Definitely you will get understand. You will come to know what is going on. I am telling you. Now let's understand class C. Okay, what is the default subnet mask of class C address? Tell me. It is 255.255.255.0, right? This is the default subnet mask of class C address. Why? This is because the first 24 bits are reserved for the network and the last 8 bits is reserved for the host. Clear? In class C address, the first 24 bits are reserved for the network and the last 8 bits is reserved for the host. So 24 bits are reserved for the network. So how we are going to mention this number? Hence it is a network bits. So we are going to write as 1, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is one block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is second block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is third block. So 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 24, right? This is a network bits. And last 8 bits are host. So host bits you are going to write as 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 8 zeros. Done. Now if you find the value of these 8 network bits, that is 2 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 2 till 2 to the power 7, the total answer you will get is 255. So right here 255. Same like this, in second block we have 8 network bits, right? So count the value of all of these 8 network bits. The total answer you will get is 255. Same like this, in third block again we have 8 network bits. So our total answer is 255. In last block we have no network bits. All the bits are 0. So right here 0. Just you have to find the value of ones. Got it? So this is why in class C address the default subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Now here we have total 8 bits reserved for the host. So how many IP address you will get in class C address? Any idea? It is very simple. Hence we have only 8 bits in the host part. So 2 to the power 8, which is equal to what? 256 IP address. Done. These are the number of IP address you will get in class C. Is it clear? Now let's do one recall session so that it is easy for you to remember each and everything. Okay, so first of all, let's start with class A. Okay, what I have told you, in class A IP address, the default subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. This is because the first 8 bits are reserved for the network and remaining 24 bits are reserved for the host. Done. It means the first 8 bits will be 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 and the remaining bits will be 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Clear? So if you calculate the value of these 8 bits, what is the value? It is, let me write it again so that it is easy for you to remember. It is 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1, 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2, 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4, 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8, 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16, 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32, 2 to the power 6 is equal to 64, 2 to the power 7 is equal to what? 128. Okay, so it is written in reverse, like this value is 2 to the power 0, this one is 2 to the power 1, this one is 2 to the power 2, this one is 2 to the power 3, this one is 2 to the power 4, same like this. The last binary bit value is 2 to the power 7. So if you calculate all the binary bits, the total answer you will get is 255. And here all the bits are 0, so it is 0.0.0. Got it? Hence we are having 24 hosts, right? In this we are 24 bits are reserved for the host. So total number of IP address that you get is 2 to the power 24. Okay, calculate it, you will get the correct answer. Done. Same like this, in class B address, the default subnet mask is 255.255.0.0. Done. Why? This is because the first 16 bits are reserved for the network and remaining 16 bits are reserved for the host. Correct? Clear, guys? First 16 bits are reserved for the network and the remaining 16 bits are reserved for the host. So how we are going to write it in binary form? First 16 bits is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 16 bits are reserved for the network and remaining 16 bits are for host. So write it as 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 dot 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Done. So if you calculate this 8 network bits, total answer you will get as 255. Same like this, if you calculate the next network bits, that is 8 network bits, total value you will get is 255. Here it is 0, right? So write it 0. Here also 0. So write it 0. So what is the default subnet mask of class C address? It is 255.255.0.0. This is because in class B address, the first 16 bits are reserved for the network and the remaining 16 bits are reserved for the host. Now tell me, what are the number of IP address that you will get in class C address? Who can tell? Tell me. It is 2 to the power 16 because 16 bits are reserved for the host. 2 to the power 16 is equal to what? 65,500 something is there, right? We have got the answer, right? 65,000 something is there, right? Even I also forgot. So try to find it by yourself and write it down the answer, so that it is easy for you to do the practice and all. Okay, it is a practical homework for you. Find out the value of 2 to the power 16, find out the value of 2 to the power 24 and write it down in the comment section below. Done. I hope the concept is clear. Now let's go forward to our last IP address, and it is a class C address, right? This is class C address. The default subnet mask of class C IP address is what? 255.255.255.0. Why? Because the first 24 bits are reserved for the network and the last 8 bits are reserved for the host. Done. So first 24 bits you have to write as 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 dot 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 dot 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 dot, and last 8 bit is host, right? So right here 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Now if you calculate the value of this first 8 network bits, total answer you will get as 255. Same like this, if you calculate the value of second network bits, you will get 255. If you calculate the value of third network bits, you will get 255. And last bits we have only 0, so right here 0. So this is why class C IP address default subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Why? Because first 24 bits are reserved for the network and the last 8 bits is reserved for the host. Now tell me, how many number of IP address do you get in class C address? It is 2 to the power 8 because only 8 bits are reserved for the host. So if you calculate 2 to the power 8, what answer you will get? You will get 256. These are the number of address you will get in class C. I hope the concept is clear. See guys, if you have any doubt, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. Because if your doubt is not clear, it is like it doesn't make any sense for me to make videos, right? I should understand like whether the concept is clear for you or not. If you do not understand, if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section below. I will try to explain you in some more different ways so that you can understand the concept. Got it? So please, whatever doubt you have, let me know in the comment section below. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Then please hit the like button, and if you want to take notes, if you want to play networking quiz, download our Networking Plus Android app, or you can also visit our website learnabhi.com. All the important links are given in the description section below. And for more videos, do subscribe to my channel right now. Thanks for watching.